So we got this new gun that our mom got us, and this bullet came with it. And just so you know, it's just a plain old bullet. This thing does hurt. So
Kenny!
So and it does scare.
Yep.
And it is a Nerf gun, but even my dad is scared of it. This is like our 5th pistol or so.
I got this one.
Yeah. And there's we have like a bunch of freaking pistols. We don't know how much pistols we have.
Alright guys, let's go and get it going. Alright, let's go. Oh, will you take that one? Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, and just so you know, we have a machine gun right there.
Yeah, that's our machine gun.
But it's a different look of a machine gun.
Yep. Alright.
That's what's inside of a real machine gun. But the other machine gun.
Okay, let's go guys. Oh man, it's noisy out here. We're doing the lawn. Yep. Sorry.
And our dad is going to run. And guess what?
You're still on video, so.
So just so you know, real hunters wear these kind of shoes or those kind of shoes.
I don't think
That Jay is wearing right now, obviously.
actually, Kenny, I don't think they wear Skechers. I think they wear boots, probably.
Well, boots, like
Yeah, boots.
some of them.
Doran boots. No, Doran boots. Doran boots.
Some of them wear Skechers boots.
Yep.
Because Skechers boots are real life things. They are boots that are Skechers.
Yep.
And we are gonna test out our new gun too.
Yep. So we gotta go find a bullet.
Two. One for that gun.
Oh, I already have one.
Well, we need one more for it.
Yeah, for
And
that.
then one. And then we need one more for that. And our mom and dad is moving on.
It's gonna be 1v1. You get that one, I get this one. And we each get one bullet. Yeah. Alright. Ready?
I need to.
One bullet at a time. We're gonna play in the front yard because your dad's mowing back here. So.
We got some front yard bill going.
Kenny, there's another one.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Okay, I think this one. Alright, let's go. Go.
Obviously, we tested our gun. That one's not new, but kind of. This thing has good aim. I got you.
Here, Kenny. To make it fair, I'll give you that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
This thing hurts, but it has good aim, and it comes with good bullet. I don't really like this gun. Every time the bullet comes out of this gun.
Come out. Hold on, guys.
Just so you know,
Go. Resume. Okay.
So this gun, I don't like it because when you put it back, the bullet comes straight out.
Right. And there's a huge mansion back there. Hey, maybe I can get up here and zoom in on the mansion.
Oh my god.
That's a huge one. And we live in Clarkstonia, so. Yeah, and Kenny's my neighbor. Look, Kenny.
Yay!
Look, I zoomed in all the way.
Oh my god.
Okay. Go.
Yo, I think you're better.
Yeah. Watch me. Alright, we're still playing. No, we gotta play in the front yard though.
Yeah. We were just playing.
Go. Dun 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 dun.
It's just like.
Dun 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 dun. Alright guys, I guess we could call this video Guns with Kenny. Shoot him right in the butt. Kenny, we should make a rap song. Like, we should make an actual song together. Did you take one of my bullets?
What?
Did you take one of my bullets? Okay.
Because look, we both have yellow bullets.
Okay, go. Well, now I have to.
My underwear is sticking. Obviously.
I have two, and you don't have any. Yeah, I'll give you one.
Obviously.
Just to make it fair. Dun, dun,
No.
nah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm gonna go for the long run. Dude, we should do BB Airsoft.
Right by your head.
Pull the trigger. I have no idea where that other bullet is. Guys, we should make a bike riding video. We're gonna do that after. Connie!
Right there. I'll be sorry.
Alright, let's end the video right here, and then we can make a bike riding video.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you ready? End it. See, end it. Say bye, guys, or something, whatever you want to do.
Bye, but peace out.
Yeah, we're about to make it everyone, so see ya.